Good morning, Doc. I'm sorry, Doc. I'm still on a bad condition because I have problem with my stomach. And here still celebrating our Eid. This is the second day, and so many visitors come to my house, and me too have to visiting our family too. Let's start. Mr. Muhammad, okay. Wait, sir. Is that a fair, sir? Yes. Okay. Sir, first of all, I would like to tell to you, please talk slowly because I really struggling. I have to understanding everything that you say. So please give me suggestion by slowly, and I will write then on my paper. Sorry, sir. Okay, I'm starting to presenting my title. Good morning, sir. Dr. Greg. This is my title. The title is The Influence of School Culture and Climate on School Effectiveness. This study aligned with research agendas related to leadership and educational institution. It especially focuses on how internal school factors, namely school culture and school climate, affect school perform and effectiveness, and given the current emphasis on school-based management and educational decentralization, understanding this internal dynamic become increasingly crucial in improving school outcome. And then this study has three main objectives. Number one is to analyze how school culture and climate affect school performance, effectiveness. And number two is to provide a deeper understanding of the role these two variables play in achieving effective schools. And the last is to offer insight that can support educational policy development and school management practice for improving educational outcomes. Uh, as an introduction, an effective school is an institution characterized by orderly, transparent, and accountable management, supported by adequate facilities, high student achievement, and active involvement of all stakeholders. This effectiveness align with educational decentralization policies and school autonomy, stand by strong leadership, competent teachers, a conducive learning climate, and continuous evaluation. Previous studies have shown that school culture and climate play a significant role in supporting school effectiveness. However, few have examined the extent to which these two factors influence school performance both simultaneously and partially. Therefore, this study aimed to analyze the influence of school culture and climate on the effectiveness of public elementary school in Sukawangi District, Bekasi, with the exception of contributing to more optimal educational policy and school management practice. Then the statement of the problem. Despite numerous studies on the element contributing to school effectiveness, there is still limited understanding of the extent to which school culture and school climate influence the effectiveness of school performance, both partially and simultaneously. Therefore, the problem addressed in this research is to what extent do school culture and school climate affect the effectiveness of public elementary school in Sukawangi District, Bekasi. And about hypothesis, there is any three hypotheses. The first, for hypothesis one, is there is a significant influence of school culture as an independent variable on school effectiveness as a dependent variable. And hypothesis one, number two, is There is a significant influence of school climate as an independent variable on school effectiveness as a dependent variable. And hypothesis number 3 is there is a significant simultaneous influence of school culture and school climate on school effectiveness. Scope and delimitation. Scope of the study. This study focuses on examining the influence of school culture and school climate on the effectiveness of public elementary school. The geographical scope is limited to public elementary school in Sukawangi District, Bekasi, Regency, Indonesia. Substantively, the study involves three main variables: school culture and school climate as independent variable, and school effectiveness as dependent variable. A quantitative approach with a correlational design will be used in this study, and data will collected through questionnaires distributed to teachers and as the primary respondent. And about the delimitation of the study has several limitations. First, it's only involves teachers as respondent and does not include principals, students, or parents. Second, the study does not examine other potential factors that may influence school effectiveness, such as leadership style, educational policies, conflict management, or socio-economic background. Third, the generalizability of the finding is limited to public elementary school in areas with similar characteristics and does not extend to private school or regions with different cultural background. And significance of the study hold significant in both theoretical and practical dimension. Theoretically, it contributes to the growing body of research on educational effectiveness by emphasizing the critical roles of school culture and school climate, factors that are often discussed but insufficiently quantified. Practically, the finding provide valuable insight for school administrators, policymakers, and educators in understanding how these internal school factors significantly impact school performance. By identifying the influence of culture and climate, the study support efforts to develop more effective management practice and educational policies that aim to create conducive learning environments and improve school quality, particularly in public elementary school. About the gaps to be bridged by the present study, although previous studies have explored factors contributing to school effectiveness such as leadership, teacher competence, and resource management, there is still a lack of empirical research, especially examining how school culture and school climate influence school effectiveness both independently and simultaneously. More prior research focused on external factors or addressed this internal aspect in isolation. The study seeks to fill that gap by analyzing both variables together, providing a more comprehensive understanding of their direct and combined impact on school performance. Additionally, this research is context specific to public elementary school, a setting rarely highlighted in previous studies, thus offering new insight relevant to similar educational environments in developing region. This is the references that I get from internet, from POP, published or Paris. That's it's my presentation. To conclude, I believe this study has the potential to make a meaningful contribution both academically and practically by addressing the significance of internal school factors in shaping school success. I welcome any feedback and suggestion from Dr. Greg to improve this proposal further. Thank you very much, Doc.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muhammad, for presenting your title. So let us proceed to the second part of this presentation, which is a question and answer. My first question is, why did you choose this topic for your
Because I think about the variable independent is very important uh, to give influence for variable dependent in school. And this title, no many people research do this research. So I think this is important for me to take this title.
what is your independent or independent?
Okay, for variable independent is wait, school culture and climate, and then the variable dependent is school effectiveness.
How do you define school climate and school culture?
School culture, I think. Wait. Okay. As a definition of school culture refers to a set value, norm, tradition, and practice that exists within the school environment and are collectively implemented by all school members. So this culture reflects the unique identity of the institution and influence how the school operates to achieve its educational goal. And I think I can measure this indicator by the indicator include expressing ideas. This is for school culture. The indicator include expressing ideas, completing tasks, social concern, innovation, discipline, teamwork, and support for school program, high initiative, and work comfort. And about the variable independent number two, school climate. Based on definition, school climate refers to the emotional, social, and psychological atmosphere formed through interaction among school individuals. It includes interpersonal relationship, perception of safety and judgment, and social support within the learning environment. And for measurement indicators, it's like school attendance, positive relationship among members, discipline, parental involvement, quality of teaching staff, collaborative culture, student achievement, and learning quality. And for variable dependent is school effectiveness. Based on definition, school effectiveness refers to the institution ability to achieve educational goal efficiently and optimally. It encompasses both academic and non-academic achievements, quality management, and stakeholder engagement. That's all.
Who is your target respondents?
Sorry, sir, I can hear you.
Who is your target respondents, and what are the inclusion and exclusion criteria?
Okay, the target is for teacher, all of teacher in district in that area, Sukawangi, Bekasi, and
How will you be selecting your respondents? How will you choose them?
I choose by purposive technique sampling. So all of teacher in there is the population target, and then I choose purposive sampling for get sample.
So, upon reading the literature and studies, what research gap in the literature does your research seek to fill?
Oh, the research gap. Sorry, sir. The research gap in this study, there is any okay, the gap in this study on the slide I had present before. Although previous studies have explored factors contributing to school effectiveness such as leadership, teacher competence, and resource management, there is still a lack of empirical research, especially examining how school culture and school climate influence school effectiveness, both independently and simultaneously. Most prior research focus on external factors or addressed this internal aspect in isolation. The study seeks to fill that gap by analyzing both variables together, providing a more comprehensive understanding of their direct and combined impact on school performance. Additionally, this research is context specific to public elementary school, a setting rarely highlighted in previous studies, thus offering new insight relevant to similar educational environment in developing region.
So can we revise your title from your original? This will be teachers' efficacy,
Yeah,
performance, and motivation.
yeah. Teachers.
How will be revising your title? You are teaching in elementary school.
Yeah, sir.
You are teaching in elementary.
Yes, I teach in elementary school. Fifth grade.
Public or private?
Yeah,
Public or private?
public.
Selected public elementary school.
Yeah.
Do you have division office or what?
In there, I get to job as a administrator and as a teacher too, because we have not many teacher there, and there is no administrator staff. So I take two job as a teacher and as administrator too.
How many teachers or schools in your area?
About based on data in our ministry is about to 290 teachers.
Public. How about public school? How many public school?
Public school is about 24. So
24 public school. I will be revising your title, but you need to include the
Yeah.
division of this if there is any for your region or city in your title. Kindly see the illustration in your last.
okay, okay, sir.
Do you have any research background? You are conducting research on your school?
I think I will try to do that, sir. To make a research.
Because that's why I'm asking you based on your submitted output.
Yeah,
You need to improve a lot of your paper
yeah, sure.
from the title,
Yeah, from type
from introduction,
introduction. Okay,
last part.
okay, sir. Sir, I will send you a message when I get trouble with my research privately. It's not problem, sir, for you.
Okay. And if you want to have a research assistant,
Yeah,
I am free to help you.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
So this is your title, teachers efficacy, performance, and motivation.
Yeah.
Did you check your messenger? I sent already.
What?
Just include the division of this or if there is any for the region.
Yeah. You send message in Facebook or
Facebook,
Facebook
messenger.
Messenger. Yeah.
I am checking now your title. I will give you.
I have not received your message, sir.
Why did you include X1 and Y, X2, Y? What is that? Is this a guide?
Sorry, sir.
In your statement of hypothesis,
Yeah.
There is x1, x2, and y. What does it mean?
X1 and X2 is independent variable, and Y is dependent variable.
No need to include your statement of hypothesis. Just include the variable. No need to include x1, x2.
Okay, okay, sir. So I need to delete this, sir. Yeah,
Yes. And for your literature studies, the accepted year is from 2020 up to 2025. So we need
okay.
to say 5 years
Yeah,
back.
yeah,
So we include the outdated, for example, in YD 2017, asserted the leadership and the school culture. So
yeah,
it is outdated.
yeah,
Remove. And you need to provide 30 literature and studies. But I see a little bit literature and studies here included.
yeah. 30 for every 30 for every variable, sir.
Yes.
Oh, so the totally is 90.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because you need to support, for example, variable, then you need to provide some variable.
yeah, yeah,
And for your references, make it in APA format 7th edition. You did not follow the correct citation.
yeah,
And for the research gap, this must be in paragraph 4.
yeah,
And for the research design, quantitative approach, then use multiple regression.
yeah. Okay, sir.
I will be giving you your but if this is just a tentative grade, once you have revised your paper, I will adjust.
Yeah.
Mr. Mohammed, how old are you?
Uh, 37.
47. You look young.
Ah, really?
Can you check the messenger?
Okay, but messenger. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Just revise your concept paper and I will adjust your grade.
Yeah.
Okay? And if you need any assistance regarding the research, just send me a message.
Okay,
Especially
sir.
when you are in dissertation, that is the crucial part of your doctorate.
Thank you very much, sir. Please help me to finish my research until the end, until I
Yes,
get the.
willing to help.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Can you take a screenshot?
Okay. Right.
Can you change your title on your PowerPoint?
Okay. Okay. Right.
Type the revise.
Okay. Okay. Right, sir. On your message, right?
Yes.
The
If you
teacher efficacy, performance, and motivation on school effectiveness.
edit your PowerPoint. Edit your
Oh, edit,
PowerPoint.
edit. Okay, okay, siap, siap. Right, sir.
What does it mean? Shop, shop. Can you
I-
teach me Indonesian any word from your country?
Terima kasih, thank you, sir.
Terima kasih.
Uh, teacher, teacher, and what
How
else?
about teacher?
Teacher is guru, sir.
Guru.
Yeah. Performing. Right, sir. Performance.
Are you in Indonesia, Jakarta?
Ya,
Are you in Jakarta, Indonesia?
near from Jakarta. I'm in Bekasi, sir.
Is that a province or city?
Ya,
Province.
Bekasi, sir.
Makasi is a province or city?
City, sir.
I see.
Little city, sir.
Province.
I will share the PowerPoint, sir. Okay. Here, sir.
Where's the city? You did not include.
Oh yeah,
The public elementary school in
in Bekasi, Indonesia, right? Indonesia. Here, sir.
okay. See, everyone, Tuhan, dari Believon, Mr. Muhammad,
Okay.
for I
Thank you, sir. You have to be patient.
lot of patience.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sir
Thank you.
Muhammad. Excuse me.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.